6 lead generation strategies for local and offline businesses. It's still possible to capture leads if your business is a brick and mortar business. Here are a few ways to start capturing leads. You can start a competition or giveaway. In order for your customers to enter, they need to enter their details such as their name, email, phone number, address, and so on. They're then put into your database. In exchange, you offer whatever it is that you're giving away. It could be a voucher for your store, or it could be a loyalty program that they join. Next, you want to make sure that you're on Google Places, so you're found based on your local geographical area. Let's say you're a vet. You want to make sure that you want to get exposure around your area. So you would put it and list it on Google Places. So then anyone who is searching for vets in that location, they'll see your business as a listing. Another way is to create an app. Now, it doesn't need to be complex and complicated. You don't need to create a game. It could be as simple as a calculator. Let's say you're a financial planner. You can create a calculator for your customers. It could either be paid or it could be a free app. In your app, you could then put in relevant credit to your business. Next, an easier way to gain exposure is to use Google AdWords. Google AdWords allows you to really specify and target your geographical location and the types of people you want to target. It could be male, female, or based around geographical location. And what's great is it works for all types of budgets. If you're on a low budget, then you can set a budget based around that. Generally, the higher your budget, the more exposure you'll get because you're able to afford to get more traffic to your website. Lastly, it's important to make sure you optimize your website for search engines. It's a lot easier to rank around your local geographical area than it is if you were to target worldwide. If you don't know anything about search engine optimization, then I recommend using some type of SEO agency to do the SEO for you. When you get exposure from search engines, it's free, okay? You're not paying for Google AdWords. These are natural, organic listings on Google. So it's worthwhile to consider investing in search engine optimization.